Welcome to this year's user group meeting. It is the biggest user group event ever.
Our mission is to provide the best solutions for the life science industry, providing you with ideas, getting your feedback as a community going forward.
It's a great event, so many participants are joining in one nice place.
Dynamic discussions and presentation. I love it.
This year we will top everything. Yeah? We have direct contact to customers we probably will never see in our normal business. Definitely benefit.
Today we had the great opportunity to listen into our roadmap, where we have presented our new digital innovative products.
To show you a bit more about the basic functionality in mixed reality and what a HoloLens can support you at on the shop floor.
Getting value out of the data on the shop floor, that is what it's all about, digitalization.
In the last 2 years, what I saw, they changed to the digital pathway, so it fits to our way into the future.
We look at the needs of our customer to bring in more products in a shorter way to the market. There's a higher variety of products, lower batch sizes, and those needs we address with solutions, so to really enable them to meet their business goals.
A straw, yeah, one moment. Oh, perfect. I can easily work well, thanks. Stream objects over the internet in the future.
These people are really friendly, open-minded, and I really like the cooperation.
As a partner, it's stronger, reliable, and big support.
That's why I think it's a very beneficial cooperation we have, and in the end, the customer gets all the benefits.
The people are very nice to work with.
PASEX users community represents the biggest MES pharma community worldwide.
That really shows that the trust we're getting from our install base, from our customers, is really also appreciated by the industry.